Indonesia is a country that is rich in natural resources, one of which is in agriculture sector. According to Indonesian statistics in 2018, number of rice farmers in Indonesia reached 13 million farmers. One of farmers group in Padang City, West Sumatra, called Cinta Damai, which is our partner and located in Binuang Kampung Dalam, Pau district. Padang City have a major problem in pest, and this problem become our background to build our design. Our group consists of M. Arif Rahman, Yolanda Farmayeni, Asriani Fitnaisi, Raymond Shah, and Farhan Kabri Pratama, and supervised by Dr. M. Muhammad Ilhami Rusdi, providing a solution that we detail automatic rice pest repellent tool as a solution to pest-free and pesticide for agriculture problem in Padang City.
For design of this device, we use Inventor software begins with designing a 50-watt peak of solar panel as generator of electric source. The next are flock reflector that we use as bird repellent by utilizing wind energy and sunshine to rotate and reflect lights. And the next is light trap that we use as a plant hopper trap at night, which is activated automatically at 6 p.m. And the next is solar speaker box that we use as an ultrasonic wave transmitter to repel birds, rats, and plant hoppers by setting it at a certain frequencies. And in this box, there are consists of microcontroller, speaker, solar charge controller, and ultrasonic wave generator module. And the last are accumulator box that are used as a storage for electric source.
The method that we use to design the device consists of first, problem identification. We do discussion between team and partners, and the result of this become a reference in designing tools. As well as making preparation for making the device, we continue to do the manufacturing in the workshop. The next steps are we do the trial for the device according to parameters, starting for mechanical, electrical, and program aspect of the device. And lastly, we continue to introduce the device to partners and implement it on partner farms.
For the next, we do examination of the device performance in farmer agriculture land based on pest repellent, which is divided into examining ultrasonic wave, flock reflector, and light trap. Ultrasonic wave work in range of 30 kHz to 60 kHz. The following sound is the sound of the instrument in the audiosonic frequency range. Flock reflector is made by zinc, which can reflect light and rotate, so that it can interfere with bird vision. Following the rotation of the flock reflector can be seen in the video. The light track focuses on this repellent at night and day that we program to turn on at 6 p.m. and turn off at 6 a.m. The following video will be light trap test.
Kalau pendapat itu nggak bisa jawab orang, tapi hasil dari masyarakat yang bertanam padi di belakang itu menyampaikan ada manfaatnya, terutama masalah mancing yang makan padi. Biasanya di usia seperti itu banyak pilihan yang makannya, tapi selama alat itu ada jauh lebih berkurang, bukan tidak dimakan tapi jauh lebih berkurang. Itu.
Berarti ada keberhasilan alat
itu didapat bukan dari saya pribadi, tapi orang yang punya sawah sekeliling
ada manfaatnya gitu.
Sekeliling
Ada keberhasilannya.
Sustainable Development Goals or SDG is a program that made by United Nations and have 17 programs in it. And our device were meant to fulfill the purpose of Sustainable Development